Welcome to our updated guide on how to hide your current city on Facebook. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to keep your location private from prying eyes. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap it. Now, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find your profile and tap on it. This will take you to your Facebook profile page. On your profile page, you'll notice an Edit Profile button. Tap on that to start making changes to your personal information. As you scroll down the Edit Profile page, you'll come across the Details section. This is where we want to focus our attention. Look for the Edit option within this section and tap on it. Now, you should see your current town or city listed. Next to it, there's a small pencil icon. That's your Edit button. Give it a tap to modify your location settings. Here's the crucial part. Look for the Privacy button. This is where you can control who sees your current city information. Tap on it to reveal your privacy options. From the list that appears, select Only Me. This ensures that you're the only one who can view your current city on Facebook. No one else will be able to see this information on your profile. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Tap the Save button to apply your new privacy settings. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden your current city on Facebook. Now you can enjoy a bit more privacy on the platform without worrying about your location being visible to others. Remember, it's always a good idea to regularly review your privacy settings on social media to ensure your personal information stays protected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.